Look at that.
That's
Houston.
insane.
I don't know.
It is literally snowing outside. I mean, it snowed last night, but you guys, I live in Houston, Texas. It does not snow here. I read on the news that it was a record of like 122 years. Oh, hey. That we've received temperatures like this. The girls are ready to conquer the outside. See, look, I'm from Chicago, right? So the way that these girls are packed, we wouldn't even dress like this in Chicago, but these Estonians can't handle it. So I got them all covered up. Are you ready, girls? Yes?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's open the door.
We're gonna go back to snow.
Good luck. Go, baby. Make sure your hat's on. This is Houston, you guys. Look what's going on, guys. Our water's turned off. It's freezing in Houston, Texas. And this is how we gotta wash the meat. Yes, girl. Everyone's home right now. We're kind of just bored and we're eating. Yeah?
You want the light on or off first?
Off, okay. So I'm just about to get some chilgozas because Dad wanted it. And for those that don't know what that is, they're basically pine nuts, but with shells, and that's the whole fun of eating it. Is to sit with a whole big bag of pine nuts and watch a movie and eat chilgozas. It's too slippery. So are you done with the outside? Are you finished?
No.
No?
I want a huggy.
Okay, let's huggy. Is that better?
My hands are still freezing.
Look, you guys. My husband's getting water from the pool, and then we're gonna put it in the toilet because there's no water, and we have to flush the toilet. Times are tough, guys. It really makes you realize the blessings you have in your life. All right, off we go. All right, let's do this, guys.
We cannot shower.
Yes.
Alright, that's good for one flush.
That's good for one flush, folks. Highways blocked off. Schools are closed. Businesses are closed. Like, it's insane, you guys. Like, I'm not used to like our city freaking out in the winter because, you know, in Chicago it goes crazy. But I guess the roads aren't made for snow, and the tires, like in cars, aren't made for snow. So the whole city literally is shut down. It's insane. Like, it's like a thrill for me because nobody's at work. We're all at home. We're trying to figure out how to cook with like the big 5-gallon water that we have, and it's just hi. It's epic. I'm gonna tell my mother-in-law to make me some pakoras. Let's see what she says. Mom, are you gonna make some pakoras today? Thanks, Mom. By the way, it is 6 o'clock and this is not our dinner. This is just a little appetizer round, a little snack as we call it. Check that out, guys. Golden brown perfection. So we got potatoes and some jalapeno peppers, and then we have all the homemade little dipping sauces, which are chutneys, and of course spicy ketchup. Care for a little mukbang, anyone? So I like to get ketchup. I love ketchup, and then I mix it with some the spicy one. So crispy, so airy, and the batter is just perfectly thin. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. Got the fireplace on. I've been married for almost 5 years now, and never have we turned on a fireplace. Got the fam chilling.